The palace has challenged attorney Harry Roque to return to the Philippines after he resurfaced in The Hague, Netherlands. A lawmaker has pushed back against claims that the former president's spokesperson's arrest was an act of political persecution. Meanwhile, amid heated discussions surrounding the International Criminal Court, or ICC, another lawmaker has strongly refuted speculations that the situation is heading toward martial law. PTV's Melalis Moras has the details.
The House Squad Committee wants the Department of Foreign Affairs, or DFA, and the Bureau of Immigration, or BI, to explain how attorney Harry Roque was able to leave the country and travel to The Hague, Netherlands, despite having a contempt and detention order issued against him by the joint panel. According to Quadcom co-chair Stephen Paduano, their next hearing might take place on Friday, and they are planning to summon representatives from the DFA and BI.
We have to explain to the committee na Harry Roque is cited in contempt, but is scot-free, especially ngayon lumabas na talaga with BP Sara pa and all other entourage dun sa The Hague. Nagtatago nga siya pero doon napaka-komportable siyang naglalakad, no? And hindi pa nga namin alam talaga kung from what country siya before Netherlands ang galing. So malalaman natin siguro yan in the next hearing, no?
Meanwhile, Quadcom lead chair Representative Robert Ace Barbers refuted claims that they are allegedly singling out Roque. The former presidential spokesperson is currently one of those assisting former President Rodrigo Duterte in the case filed against the former chief executive before the International Criminal Court, or ICC.
Wala pa naman yung ICC, may contempt na siya eh. Wala pa naman yung ICC na issue eh. He was already ordered detained. Unfortunately, he was not in the country. He left the country, no? For whatever reason, hindi niya na-serve yung kanyang contempt order.
Barber said that the Quad Committee has no jurisdiction over other countries, so their arrest order against Roque is only effective in the Philippines. Meanwhile, Malacanang has issued a challenge to Roque regarding this matter.
Maganda po siguro na i-challenge po talaga natin siya, na siya po yung umuwi. Kasi di ba bring home FP Duterte. So siguro mas magandang isigaw po rin ng mga tao, bring home Roque.
As discussions on the ICC remain heated, House Deputy Majority Leader Janet Garin firmly denied claims by some that the current situation is leading towards the declaration of martial law.
Napakalayo sa katotohanan ng fake news na magkaka-martial law. Unang-una, yes, talaga namang may mga pockets of demonstration. Natural yan kasi emotional ang tao. However, ang problema kasi hindi yan ang solusyon eh.
From PTV, Melalis Moras, Balitang Pambansa.